In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Klaviyo account quickly and easily. Maybe you've decided to streamline your digital presence, or you're just moving on to different platforms. Whatever your reason, I'm here to guide you step by step through this process. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to head over to Klaviyo's website. Make sure you have your login credentials handy because you'll need to sign in to access your account settings. Once you're signed in, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll see an icon or your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. When you click on your profile, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this list, you want to select Settings. This is where all the magic happens, as it houses the various options and configurations for your account. You'll find everything from your profile details to your billing information under this section, but don't worry, we're focusing on just one particular setting today. Next, focus on billing settings. This might sound a little odd since we're here to delete your account, not necessarily managing billing. However, Klaviyo has included the account deletion option under this section. Keep your eyes peeled for the close and delete account option. It might not be immediately obvious, so consider scrolling through the options if you don't see it right away. Once you locate it, give it a click. Now that you've found the close and delete account option, you'll be prompted to follow a series of instructions to initiate the account deletion process. Be sure to read through each prompt carefully. This step might include confirmations or answering questions about why you've decided to delete your account. These queries aren't meant to trip you up, but to ensure that deleting your account is really what you want to do. They often aim to offer better service in the future by understanding your reasons. Finally, after following all these instructions, your request to delete your account will be processed. Depending on the nature of the platform, the process may take a little time, so don't worry if it's not instantaneous. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated the steps to delete your Klaviyo account. It's always a good idea to ensure any necessary data you've stored is backed up or transferred before initiating this process, as account deletion might mean losing access to that information permanently. I hope this guide has made the process straightforward for you, and remember to reach out to Klaviyo's support team if you run into any snags. They're there to help. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your digital life efficiently.